Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karima, and in today's video I'm showing how to make beef shawarma. If you know me, you know that I'm a very big fan of shawarma. So I'm about to make some tonight, and I thought I would make a video so you can see how to make it at home. I'm using beef for tonight. You can switch it out for chicken, but tonight I'm doing beef. I have all the ingredients here. I'm going to list them in the description box below so you can check it out over there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Comment down below, like this video, all the good stuff. Let me know what other kind of recipes you guys want to see, and I'll be happy to make a video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here is everything that I'm going to be using. I have some carrots, cabbage, suya spice, pita bread. You can substitute for tortilla. I have some salt, seasoning cube, ginger powder, onion powder, and paprika. Some beef frank, lemon juice, liquid smoke, mayonnaise, ketchup, and some salad cream. So I'm going to start out by seasoning the meat. I'm going to add all the seasonings into the meat. I'm also going to use some suya spice. The suya spice is completely optional, but I love the taste in my shawarma. I'm also going to put some lemon juice and some liquid smoke. You can skip the liquid smoke as well, but I like the smoky taste. So I'm going to work the seasonings into the beef. Then I'm going to move on to stir frying. And for the stir fry, I'm going to use regular vegetable oil. I'm just going to add the beef and stir fry for about 5 minutes. And make sure you do this on low to medium heat and stir continuously. I'm also going to add a little bit of water just to allow the meat to cook thoroughly. And I'm going to set that aside and let it cook. So moving on, I'm going to add the carrots into the cabbage. I'm going to add the mayonnaise and ketchup and just mix this all together. And the meat should be well cooked by now. So I'm going to put it in a separate bowl and just set it aside. And for the hot dog, I'm going to cook on the grill for about a minute or two. You can just use this, you can do this on the stove with a regular pan. I'm going to put some mayonnaise and ketchup on the pita bread. I already added a little bit earlier. So I'm just going to mix that and spread it out on the pita bread. You can pour out as many or as little as you want. I like mine really creamy, so I added quite a bit. And I'm just going to add the cabbage and carrots mix. I'm going to put the hot dog and the beef. Added a little bit more suya spice. I really like suya spice. And I want it really spicy, so I'm using some additional red crushed pepper, and I'm going to use some salad cream as well. And this will make it really creamy. So I'm just going to wrap the pita bread around. And I'm going to put it on the grill to heat it up. And this will also make the pita bread to be crispy, and I really like that. If you don't have a grill, you can just do this on the stove. Just heat up a pan and just put the bread on the pan. And that's it. The shawarma is done. It was really crispy on the outside and very creamy on the inside. Yep. And that's it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you learned something. Give this recipe a try, and don't forget to send me pictures when you do. And I'll see you guys next week.